Chicken and wild rice soup is so creamy and so filling, but I got to thinking, how many of those starchy carbs can I cut out and still keep that creamy goodness and still use real wild rice? My low-carb chicken and wild rice soup has 215 calories a serving and only 15 grams of net carbs. It has all the delicious flavors you'll love, like chewy wild rice, chunks of chicken, carrots and broccoli. With all that goodness going on, no one will even suspect that you have a secret ingredient that fills in for most of that rice, riced cauliflower. I'm Christy from Beneficial Bento, where I show you how to make healthy food more fun and help you manage your food allergies. And we are continuing my soup series with my low-carb, creamy chicken and wild rice soup. Here's what you'll need to make it. In a large saucepan, cook garlic and shallot in butter over low heat until softened but not yet brown. Add cauliflower, carrot, and celery and cook for about 2 minutes. Pour in chicken broth and add some salt and pepper. Bring it to a boil, reduce the heat, cover, and let simmer for about 10 minutes. Next, add the broccoli and the cooked wild rice. Cook about 5 minutes more until the broccoli is tender. Put the flour into a small bowl. Whisk in the milk a little bit at a time until smooth. Don't add it all at once or it will end up being lumpy. Stir this into the soup and bring it back to a boil. Cook for 2 minutes more or until thickened. Add the cooked chicken and heat through. That's it for this recipe. So what did we learn this time? Number one, riced cauliflower really is a great way to reduce the calories and carbs from rice. But don't cut all the rice out completely or you'll lose that earthy flavor and that chewiness. It's an important element of this soup. Number two, do I have a dairy-free substitute for this recipe? Well, I have a dairy-free idea for you to try, but I haven't personally made the soup with this yet. If I was cutting the milk out of this soup, I would swap it for unsweetened cashew milk because it's the creamiest. If you give it a try, I would love to hear how it turns out. Tell me in the comments. And number three, check out my healthy soup recipes playlist for more great recipes, which I will be adding to in the next couple of weeks. So I hope you come back often. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen, and I will see you soon with another soup video.